Hey everybody, it is Brian here with Brian Lane Designs, and we are going to be making an everyday wreath. To start it off, we're going to be making our bow, and I am using a 1.5 inch ribbon in yellow, and I made 8 loops with this one, and I think I did 8-inch loops. So I did 8 loops, and they were 8 inches in length. So we're going to put that in at my favorite area, which is 10 o'clock for my bows. And the next item that the first item we're going to be adding in is this eucalyptus pick. And I think I cut this pick in just to 2 pieces. The first one I put the whole thing in. But I think the ones that I put in next, maybe I might cut into 2 pieces, or no, it looks like I'm putting the whole thing in. So okay, yeah, so I put the whole thing in, at least with the first 2 picks, and I'm just going around installing these in the wreath just to fill out. I see now I started cutting them into 2. Yeah, so I think as I was putting them around, putting the whole piece in wasn't really working as well as I thought it would be for me. So then I started cutting them in just 2 pieces. So I'm just going to continue installing these all the way around the wreath, just to kind of fill it out and get it started with a good base. I love this eucalyptus pick. It's very friendly to work with, so you can place it where you want it to wire. All of the little pieces that come out on it are wired, so it makes it really easy to work with, and it holds its shape really nicely. So the next thing I'm going in with, I am using a daisy and fern pick. Now this one I cut into 3 pieces. That particular pick you can cut into 3. So I am going in with that one, and I'm just placing it like up and down, in and out, just to, again, fill it in some more. And I really love this pick. It has the really pretty daisies in it, and I love the color of the greenery that is in with it. They really complement each other, and it shows really well in whatever you're making. So here I'm making sure that I'm installing it all the way around, and I make sure that I go up underneath the bow as well as behind to fill it in all the way around. Now when I say all the way around, this wreath is more, there's just a little area left at the bottom, so I didn't do it all the way around. I let a little bit of the grapevine show, but the rest of it I just filled in and balanced it out really nicely with this pick, so the yellow is spaced evenly throughout, and you get a good view of the daisies and everything all the way around the wreath. So I'm not sure how many of those picks I used in this wreath. I'm thinking maybe, I think I might have used 6 of those picks. I know I used 7 of the eucalyptus picks, and this is I think this is a 16-inch, it's either a 16-inch or an 18-inch base that I'm working on. And now I'm going in with this olivine bush. It has several cuts on it, so I just cut all the pieces off, and then just started putting that in between the greenery and that I have already used in there, just filling it out more. This pick is really pretty because it has, I love the color variations that it has on the ends, and it gives a lot of really nice texture, and just gives it really good depth. You can see it stands out, and it just adds a lot to your design. So I love this pick, and again, it's called an olivine. I think it's an olivine bush actually. So, but yeah, I'm just and it's a pusher, so I push some of the tips up just to fill it out more in spaces that need some filling. And I think the next thing I'm going to go in with is a twig. I think it's a greening twig that I use next, and I only used one of those. So just to give it, I don't know, just to give it the look that I like. I love using twigs and stuff in my designs, as a lot of you know. So yes, this is a twig that I'm using, and I did only use one, and I just cut it up and placed the little twigs throughout, so there would be some twigs coming out evenly around the wreath. So that's pretty much all that I did. So I hope you guys like this, and let me know in the comment section if you like this, and please share this with your friends, and I would greatly appreciate it. Oh, and the last thing I did is I went in and I added the tails to my ribbon. To my bow on the sides. So sometimes I will add my tails in last, and I like doing that because having the tails in there while I'm working, sometimes they get in my way. So yeah. So that's it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will be uploading another one of these sped up videos very soon.